hold on to your shoulders. So again, you might hear a few pops when we practice with this one. Perfect. And relax your arms, cheers. Cross legs.
That was good.
And then, there we go. And flop, flop. Perfect. And relax, cheers.
They're listening.
Yeah. Alright. And straighten this leg. Just open up over here. Good. And have a lay onto your back.